Hey guys, we're going to be doing a 327 block prep. I'm honing it right now. I'll put you guys on a time lapse and show you the process. As you can see, there's quite a bit of wear at the top of the cylinders. I'll put my bore gauge in there and show you guys. The tin right there is standard. It's about 4 thousandths. It's about 11 thousandths at the top. So we're shooting for 30 over. I'll put you guys back on time lapse and show you the process. Alright, I'm checking the piston to verify size. It looks like it's 4-inch, 28 thousandths and 2/10. So that'll put us at right at 1,008 of clearance, which is ideal for this application. Now I'm setting my bore gauge to 4-inch, 30 thousandths. Like I said before, that would give us 1,008 piston to wall clearance. Just what we're looking for. Alright guys, we're 2 thousandths from size, so now I'm going to chamfer the top and the bottom of the cylinders using this cartridge roll on a die grinder and then this chamfering deal on a drill for the top. Hey, just finished honing this thing 30 over. We're going to give each cylinder another 3 strokes with the fine stones and then move to these plateau stones here. That just takes all the high spots off. Makes a real nice finish on the cylinder bores. There you have it. Cylinders are all done to size. Gonna put it in the wash and throw some paint on it. Hey guys, I just finished up this 327, bored 30 over, parallel decked. Got brass freeze plugs in it. It's been line honed. Should be a good runner for the customer, so I'll see you guys in the next one.